Hello, Sabadi. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nali. Today I want to show you how I make Thai tea. It's so very simple and easy. Let's get started. Here is a Thai tea bag that I'm using. You could always use any kind of brand. You will also need evaporated milk, sweet condensed milk, and white sugar. And I'm going to use 6 cups of water. In a small pot, add your 6 cups of water. And wait till it boils. Then you want to add in ½ cup of your Thai tea mix. And what I do is I just put in this strainer that I got from Amazon. It's such a mess free. I mean, you can tell it's been well used because of the color. But if you like making Thai tea, that's the best to use that strainer. You want to go ahead and let this boil and simmer for 10 good minutes on medium to high heat. If you like this video so far, hit like or share and subscribe. So now that's been boiling for 10 minutes, go ahead and turn off the heat and just let it cool down. You want to make sure that it completely cools down. Okay, now that our Thai tea has been cooled down, go ahead and take out the strainer just like that. And all you have to do is just throw away that Thai tea mix. Easy as that. Now let's start mixing our Thai tea so we could start drinking it. You're going to need 1 tablespoon evaporated milk. Add that to your 3 cups of Thai tea. And then 1 tablespoon white sugar. And then a pinch of salt. And also a tablespoon of condensed milk. You could always adjust to take out the sugar or add more sugar if you like it sweet. It does really depends on your taste bud. And go ahead and give that a good mix. And for the other 3 cups that I saved it in the fridge and I'll mix it whenever I'm ready to drink the other 3 cups of Thai tea. And just because I like whipped cream, I'm going to add that as my topping. So go ahead and pour your mix of Thai tea over ice. And this is so refreshing to drink, especially in the summertime when it's so hot out. All right, and now we're going to add in the whipped cream, just like that. Doesn't that look delicious? Oh my gosh. There you have it. A easy, less mess way to make your Thai tea. I hope you guys give this a try and thank you so much for watching the video. Talk to you soon.